Good morning, dear students. Today I shall discuss the chapter of tense of English grammar. What is tense? Whatever time is spent in doing some work is called tense. For example, Ram has been writing a letter since 4 o'clock. How long the work of writing is being done is called tense. Whatever events or incidents happen in this world, they happen either in present or past or future time. Therefore, tense has been divided into three kinds. They are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now we shall discuss about all these tenses one by one. The time which is going on is called present tense. For example, Ram writes a letter, Ram is singing a song, he has eaten a mango, Ram has been writing a letter for 2 hours. All these sentences are in present tense. Present tense has 4 kinds. They are present indefinite or simple present. Second is present imperfect or present continuous. Third is present perfect. And fourth is present perfect continuous. Now we shall discuss all kinds of present tense one by one. Present indefinite. The time which spends indefinitely in present is called present indefinite. For example, Ram writes a letter. Its structure is subject plus V1 or V5. V5 is used only with the subject of third person singular number, and V1 is used with first person singular plural, second person singular plural, and third person plural numbers. Now second is present imperfect. The time which spends in present but it remains incomplete, imperfect, is called present imperfect. Its structure is subject plus is or am or are plus V4. Is used only with the subject of singular number third person. Am is used only with first person singular number I, and are is used with the plural number of first person, second person, and third person. Third kind of present tense is present perfect. Present perfect tense is that tense in which time has spent in present time. For example, Ram has written a letter. The work of writing has been done in present time. Therefore, it is called present perfect. Its structure is subject plus has have plus V3. Has will be used with the number of third person singular number, and have will be used with first person singular number, first person plural number, second person singular number and plural number, and with the third person plural number. Present perfect continuous tense is a tense in which a work is started in present tense but it remains continue to complete it. For example, Ram has been reading a book for 2 hours. The work of reading remains continue for doing the work of reading complete. Its structure is subject plus has been or have been plus V4. Has been is used with the third person singular number such as he, she, it or name, and have been is used with the first person singular number I, first person plural number we, second person singular number and plural number you, and third person plural number. Now I am telling you how will you identify all these kinds in Hindi also. प्रेजेंट टेंस के हिंदी के वाक्य के अंत में है, हूँ, हैं या हो लगा रहता है। प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट में है, हूँ, हो के पहले ता, ते, ती लगा रहता है। अर्थात इस वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ते हैं, ती है, ते हो आदि लगा रहता है। प्रेजेंट इम्परफेक्ट में रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है, रहे हो आदि लगा रहता है। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हिंदी के वाक्य के अंत में चुका है या आ है, चुके हैं या ए हैं, चुकी हो या ई हो लगा रहता है। और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के वाक्य के अंत में ता रहा है, ते रहे हैं, ती रही है या समय सूचक शब्द से के बाद रहा है, रहे हैं या रही है लगा रहता है। इस प्रकार हम हिंदी में सभी टेंस को पहचान सकते हैं। अब हम दूसरे दिन पास्ट टेंस के बारे में विस्तृत रूप में डिस्कस करेंगे।